Alrighty, I'm going to talk about splicing wires here in the country I'm born in, and guess what? These wire strippers are made in the country I'm born in. We use these push-in connectors. They're not the most common, but we do have them. So what you do is you make sure your wire is nice and straight. See the wire sizes in the holes there? You match the wire hole to the size wire we're using. And this is number 12. So we put it in the number 12 slot. Then I'll hold it up to the connector to make sure the copper is not going to be sticking out like this. So I stripped this one slightly long, so I'm just going to cut a very tiny little smidgen off, a very tiny smidgen. And you simply just push it in. And see how the copper is up at the top? There, you can see it there. There it is. Okay, then you insert the other wire. Hold it up to the connector to make sure it's not too long. Now that one I stripped a little short, so I'll take a smidgen more of the insulation off. See how tiny piece of insulation I took off? Now with these connectors, you want to make sure your wire is perfectly straight when you put it in. And there they are on this side, and I'll turn it over and show you the other side. See how the copper is going up to the top? Okay, it didn't quite get up all the way on the top, so I'm going to push that on, make sure it goes up all the way. That's how I want it, just like that. So these are the tools you need and how to use the push-in type connectors.